Welcome back to my channel. Today part 3 SEQURE collaboration, and this will be the last part. And today we are actually taking it for the first flight. So this is okay, not the first flight. I mean, I tried with it a little bit, but now I put Superfly preset on it, so we'll be flying and seeing how it is. But Mario frame, SEQURE stack, and the motors. Express ELRS unfortunately is some Radio Master, I think, because I still didn't get the printer and I wanted to print out the front part so I can attach True Diversity antenna from SEQURE, but that I will do eventually when I will get the printer. So today we are flying my latest build, collaboration with SEQURE. All electronics, everything is SEQURE, of course. 04 Air Unit Pro, and we'll see how it will fly. I have Superfly preset on it, Betaflight 4.5. I didn't test out the latest. They released some last version, but I didn't test that, so I will be testing out 4.5, and we'll see how it's flying. Switch warning, everything, all warnings and everything. So let's plug in the drone. Here we go. We'll put it somewhere here on the side, and we'll see how it flies. I mean, this is the first time I'm flying with AM32 ESC, so I'm not sure if you guys know if there is a difference between BL Heli 32 and AM 32. So as I understand, BL Heli 32 is discontinued, so there is no more updates for that. So I got AM 32, and plus this is H7 flight controller, which means that is the fastest flight controller which is at the moment in the market. I know many people will, yeah, but you can go F4 or F7 and whatsoever. Yes, you can, but if you are getting H7, that's mean that no matter what update will come out, unless the FPV as a thing will just stop, you will be okay with running this flight controller. So that's why it's AM32 and H742. I will put specifications of the drone here and down in the comments as well. And let's see, let's fly a little bit. I'm not sure, can't see the, okay, air mode. Okay, let's arm it. Sound wise it's way quieter, so let's see. I didn't fly for some time, so I will try to just be cruising around, and I slightly changed my rates, so, but at the moment, oh my god, it's flying so amazing. I mean, okay, it's making a little bit noise, but that is expected for 5-inch. I mean, let's see some. Oh Oh my God. It's so locked. I mean, wow. I mean, everyone knows that I was flying deep space for all this time, but this, I think, will be my go-to flying. I mean, oh my God, I love it. Oh, fuck. I promised myself that I will not be swearing, but this thing flies amazing. I mean, I love it. I love the control and precision of everything. I mean, it moves like in a butter or whatsoever. I will see how is the motors after this flight, but oh my God, I love this. I have some a little bit strange sound in a little bit, but maybe that is coming from the tune. I love it. I mean, and it goes like nearly hit the ground. I mean, fuck. I don't know. I'm sort of a little bit speechless because it flies so damn good. I mean, I'm not sure if it's the flight controller or the drone in general, but I love it. I love it. I mean, and the control and precision. I mean, fuck, I love. I'm telling you, I'm a little bit speechless at this point. I mean, and efficiency wise, I mean, 5.5 minutes, 3.5 battery. I mean, I love it. Okay, low battery. Time to land. I will come a little bit closer. Okay, so fuck. Battery will not go back to. Okay, 3.3. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm speechless. I'm speechless how good it's flying. Let's see the motors. Motors is completely fine. They are not even hot or anything. So oh my god. I mean, I was trying to build this drone already a long time ago. I mean, the frame and everything. And now finally, I'm flying with it, and it flies amazing. Okay, everyone exactly knows that I have deep space drones and everything and this, but I'm really sorry, sorry, I hit the microphone. So I'm really sorry, deep space, but this, in my opinion, is how the 5-inch should be flying. I mean, I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I don't know, is it the frame? Is it maybe I didn't fly for some time? I flown yesterday, so it's not so that I didn't fly for a long time. But the control, the precision, everything, it's amazing. And plus, okay, I understand that that is partly as well Superfly tune, which makes it fly amazing. But there is the thing, if you combine all those things together, SEQURE motors, which is, before I was flying 1900 kV, these ones is 1800 kV, so the stack is AM32 plus H7 flight controller. I mean, this is flying like a dream. I mean, I love it. And big thank you to SEQURE to sending me out these things, to try them, to test them. And I'm speechless, guys. I mean, anyway, I will leave the all links down, the official links as well, and as well my affiliate link plus the coupon code BWFPV, which you can get 6% off if you are getting anything from SEQURE. But I think now I found the company which will be sort of my main thing for my builds. Unfortunately, they are not making like a smaller, like mini stacks for 3-inch and stuff like that. They are for 6 and 8S of the big stacks. So basically for any 5-inch drone, I mean, I'm telling you, if you are planning to build, give it a try, SEQURE. And this is basically the cheapest stack they have. It's like the whole stack is like 80 bucks in total. So the price is good. The quality, I mean, it looks amazing. I mean, anyway, I still have some batteries. I will be flying around a little bit more and enjoying this thing. I mean, I love it. I love it. So if you have some more questions about this, you can as well watch some videos before. I was building it, I was reviewing the parts. So thank you for watching leave down in the comments if you have some questions or anything. Until the next time, I will tell you one thing, okay? Probably next video probably will be that I will be building another drone, which was already sort of my dream drone for a long time. So finally I think I will get it and you will be able to see it. Anyway, stay tuned. SEQURE, amazing. Take care, bye.